Good morning, children. I am your class teacher, Mrs. Savita. Today I am going to teach English subject. Take out your English book. Open the page number 40. Unit 2. Poem number 1. Rain. What do you see in this picture? It is a rainy season, na? So here having clouds, umbrellas, trees, grass, field, sheep. So this is the nature of rain. Now sing this poem with me. The rain is falling all around. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here. It rains on the umbrellas here. And on the ships at sea. And on the ships at sea. So did you enjoy this poem? You daily read at home. Now look at for this poem new words. Look and say. R-A-I-N rain. F-I-E-L-D field. S-H-I-P ship. F-A-L-L-I-N-G falling. T-R-E-E tree. S-E-A-C. A-R-O-U-N-D around. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. Now look at your third one question. Name the things that you see in the picture. Tell me. Name the things in this picture. Cloud, umbrellas, trees, sheep, grass, field and rain. Okay. Now see. Next question. Where does the rain fall? Rain falling all around. The rain is falling all around. Where do you see the ship? We see the ship at sea. Okay. Now we will meet you next class. Till then, goodbye.